Ayan, so hello po everyone and hello sa inyo ma'am and sir. Ayan, so hello din sa aking mga classmates. So by the way, I am Jason Billones and taking a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. Ayan, so and regular old evening class. So for this video, I will going to discuss sa inyo ang tungkol sa topic natin last meeting. So ito ay about sa physical fitness. So bago ko simulan ang ano nga ba ang physical fitness? Ayan. So physical fitness, yan po ay ang about sa ating strength and energy. Ayan, so handle your daily activities with ease. It means so being able to do things. Ayan, so like walking and lifting or playing without getting tired. So dito naman ay quickly or feeling sore. So when you're physically fit, so kung fit po tayo, kailangan po ang ating katawan is strong po tayo at flexible. Ayan, so kailangan flexible din po tayo. So kailangan din po diyan ready tayo sa kahit anumang uh, gagawin natin, kung ano man ang kailangan gawin natin. So being fit is not just a good for your body. So ito ay pwede din good sa ating isipan. So regular exercise can help reduce and ayan, so mababawasan ang ating mga stress, ayan, and improve your mood. So and give good more energy throughout the day. Ayan, yan po ang na physical fitness. And when you feel fit, ayan, so kung naramdaman mo, you're more likely to feel good about yourself and have confidence. So and what your body can do. So confidence ang ating katawan. Kahit ano man ang ating gawin. Ayan, so and so physical fitness is about enjoying life. So life to fullest is not just about looking good. So ito din ay feeling good when you staying healthy. So by staying fit, to make sure your body, ayan, so keep up with whatever life brings. So kahit so whether tayo ay maglalaro ng sports, ayan, so kahit going to adventure or just keeping up sa ating everyday task. Ayan po ang short uh, information about sa ating last discussion about sa physical fitness. So thank you very much po and hope ito po ay makatulong at makadagdag ng kaalaman para sa ating bawat isa kung ano nga ba ang uh, physical fitness. Ayan, kung para saan ba ang physical fitness at ano ang kailangan gawin, anong pangalagaan or ano man ang dapat nating gawin, yun lamang po. Ayan, so thank you very much.